So this was supposed to come on the 26th, but it came early today on the 23rd of November 2024. This is the Attack on Titan final season, the final chapters limited edition Blu-ray DVD set. This video, I'll be doing the full unboxing and overview of all the contents of this limited edition and how it completes my Attack on Titan Blu-ray limited edition collection. The release date was set for November 26th, so I did get this early, but you can still pre-order it yourself on Amazon. Unfortunately, you can no longer purchase it, at least right now, on Crunchyroll, which is where I got it at the lowest price possible. But just in case it becomes available again, I'll put the link in the description alongside possible ways to get a significant discount, because the full price of this set is a whopping $90. But let's get right back into the unboxing. You can see it's shipped from Crunchyroll's address right here in a pretty plain box. Opening up, you can see there's some basic paper padding, and I do like stuff ordering from Crunchyroll, previously known as Right Stuff Anime, because they do a good job of packaging their stuff since they know that they often have to ship collectible items like this, whereas if you were to buy this from Amazon or some other retailer who don't specialize in these collectible stuff, you might get it in not so great condition. But you can see this box set came in pristine, clean condition. Removing the shrink wrap, you can see this gorgeous box design. But first, taking a look at this piece of paper, you can see all the collectible items that are included, like the art cards, the enamel pins, the extra book in addition to the digipack, and this is Blu-ray and DVD. Looking at the fine print, it looks like the DVDs are regions 1, 2, and 4, and the Blu-rays are regions A and B. So not all region, but at least it covers the major regions. There'll be a few special features, and all of it can be played in English, dubbed or subbed. So here's a quick overview of the box that you get. This will house all 3 parts of the final season. It's a nice glossy finish. The front and the spine both have Attack on Titan in English and Japanese in a shiny silver. And you can see just how thick this box is. It's because it needs to fit 2 more of the parts as I have on the table here. Here's a look at the back. This box is definitely the most colorful out of all of the other previous season's collector box, simply because it is outside of the walls. It represents freedom. And not to give spoilers in case you haven't seen it already, but the artwork on the bottom, the sides, and the top definitely represents kind of a dreamlike state, and there is a bird soaring at the top representing Eren. You can see the digipack right there on the left, and then a little cardboard box containing the collectible items plus the book. So let's go ahead and take a look first at the digipack. Once again, a glossy finish to match the box. Sticking with the perspectives, as on all of the artwork designs, you have something really large in the forefront, which is basically the founding titan of Eren's skeletal form, and then Eren right there in the background. The spine's emblem continues the Marleyan symbol right here at the top, and then again, Attack on Titan in English and Japanese. Limited edition final season, the final chapters. On the back is Armin. Opening it up, you see the Blu-ray disc on the left. First disc has Eren's silhouette, and then the second one has Mikasa's silhouette. On the other side are the DVD discs. So the first disc is a silhouette of Armin. DVD disc 2 has a silhouette of the injured bandaged Levi. Removing the discs to reveal the backgrounds, which is very plain in this limited edition compared to past ones. Here are the discs one more time, the Blu-rays, and then the DVDs. Flipping through the artwork in this digipack, we see an extension of the front cover, and then some 4-panel chibi-style comics. And then the remaining of the pages is basically just storyboards from the anime from various animators. So unfortunately not as feature-packed, I guess, or at least diverse feature-packed compared to previous digipacks. But then the end pages are the full-blown arc of the box artwork, and then Mikasa looking up. Moving on to the box of collectible items, which have 7 art cards and 2 enamel pins. It's similar to what you can find in the previous limited editions. Let's take a look at the final 2 enamel pins for the 9 special titans. So you have Reiner's Armored Titan, and then Eren's Attack, and also Founding Titan. Since Eren takes on 2 of the roles, you only get a total of 8 enamel pins for the 9 total titans. Moving on to the art cards, which are shrink wrapped. And you can see all of them are kind of shiny. None of them are lenticular, which I would prefer, but at least they're on a nice hard cardstock. All the backs look the same. The first one is the team, looks like in a footprint of a colossal titan. This next one's really cool. It's the team in the midst of chaos with Aaron's Titan glowing in the background. So it would have been more accurate if his eyes were glowing green instead of blue. Next is that countryside house that they stayed in. It's kind of blurry, kind of as if it were a dream. And then the textless art form of the Digipacks front cover. And then a somewhat normal picture of Parody's scouts and Marleyan's warriors. Notice the feathers kind of flanking the outskirts in this one and also with the Mikasa one. And finally, Levi in a wheelchair with the other Marleyans. And then to this awesome book right here, you can see the conflict between the two forces on the front and back covers. Because of how thick it is, I'm not going to stop on every page, but here's a look at the inner cover. I think it's the Jaeger brothers with the DNA splice. And then you can see this art book has interviews, staff, galleries, and illustrations. And just flipping through this quickly, you can kind of see there is an intersperse of colored images with some texts. So it seems like a really cool read. If you want it, you definitely have to get this limited edition. Ending page is the famous quote from Aaron concerning freedom. And then the final image in the inner cover is Ymir, the founding Titan. Very rustic design. Spine doesn't have anything. You're looking at the full limited edition Blu-ray set of Attack on Titan. Just take it all in. These are some beautiful stuff here. Just a minute, I'll go ahead and combine it all so you can see what the complete set looks like. So here it is with the part 1 of the final season, and then part 2, part 3 or the final chapters, and finally squeezing in that 148-page art book. Check out the full box set now, completing the final season of Attack on Titan alongside all the other collectible boxes all together. If you're interested in the unboxing and overviews of all the other limited editions, check out the playlist I have linked at the end of this video, and definitely subscribe for more videos like this.